Hello students, in last lecture number 4, we have already done 1 to 10 MCQ. How many MCQ? 1 to 10 MCQ. Mind well, you have to make a notebook and you have to write my content, video content in your notebook, and you have to write. It's compulsory. You have to write this exercise in your notebook, and you have to write question. For example, the term multimedia has been coined from which of the following term? Question, and then you have to write direct answer D, multiple media. There is no need to write any option. You have to write direct answer, but you have to write in your notebook. And after complete our first chapter, you have to send PDF file to me. I will check your book and I will write your name in my book, and I will show it to your principal sir or principal madam, to both school, Sir JJ and Bhaktashram. You have to write in your notebook. Mind well. I want to check your notebook for of computer, my first chapter multimedia. Clear? You have to write, and I want your book complete. Number 11, 1 to 10 we have already seen. Now number 11, which of the following term represent visual change over the time? Visual change over the time. In our first chapter, our chapter name is multimedia, and a whole chapter is based on these 5 elements. Our whole chapter is based on these 5 elements: text, audio, video, graphics and animation. So keep in mind, these all exercise, MCQ of the exercise belongs to these 5 elements. Clear? All these MCQ belongs to these 5 multimedia element: text, audio, video, graphics and animation. Clear? Our 11 number MCQ, which of the following term represent a visual change over time? Our first element, text. Text means simple text. Audio, it means you can hear audio. Video, it means you can see and you can watch. Graphics, it means images. And animation, it means animation is also you can see and you can watch. So 11 number MCQ, visual change over time. Visual change, it means either video or animation. Now difference between video and animation. Difference between video and animation. Video means what? Any static presentation becomes lively by adding a video. If you want to become your presentation live, then you have to add video. If you want your presentation live. Static, it means what? Sthir. Static, it means what? Fix. Static means what? Fix. Fix, it means what? Fix, it means what? Sthir. Clear? Fix presentation, but I want my presentation live, then I have to add video. And animation, it means what? It represents visual change over time. Can you see the word time? If you want to changes, visual changes, visual, it means visible, you can see the changes, that's why it is known as visual change. Visual change over time. You want to change over time. If you want to change your presentation, if you want to represent visual change over time, then you have to use animation. Animation means what? જો કોઈ વસ્તુ દોડે છે તો દોડતી દેખાય, જો એને તમારે સ્ટોપ કરવી છે તો એ સ્ટોપ થઈ જાય, તમારા પર છે, અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ટાઈમ. મારે 2 સેકન્ડ સુધી એને દોડાવવું છે તો એ દોડશે, પછી એને સ્ટોપ કરવું છે તો સ્ટોપ થઈ જશે. જ્યારે વિડીયોમાં શું છે? લાઈવ વિડીયો તમે કેપ્ચર કરો, તેમાં કઈ વસ્તુ દોડતી હોય તો દોડતી જ દેખાશે, સ્ટોપ હોય તો સ્ટોપ દેખાશે, એમાં તમે કંઈ નહીં કરી શકો. એનિમેશનમાં તમે ચેન્જ કરી શકો. સમજ પડી? વિડીયો ઇટ મીન્સ નેચરલ ને એનિમેશન ઇટ મીન્સ મેનમેડ બનાવે છે, માણસો એને ચેન્જ કરી શકે. સો 11 નંબર MCQ, કેન યુ ટેલ મી ધ આન્સર વિચ ઓફ ધ ફોલોઈંગ ટર્મ રિપ્રેઝન્ટ વિઝ્યુઅલ ચેન્જ ઓવર ટાઈમ? ઇટ રિપ્રેઝન્ટ વિઝ્યુઅલ ચેન્જ ઓવર ટાઈમ. વિઝ્યુઅલ ચેન્જ ઓવર ટાઈમ, આ કીવર્ડ આવે ને એટલે યાદ રાખવાનું એનિમેશન જ આવે. હવે ચેપ્ટર નંબર 2, 3, 4, 5 ઓલ બેઝડ ઓન એનિમેશન, that is Cinefix Studio, and we have to do visual change. We have to do some practicals about visual change over time. We have to set time for animation. That's why it is known as animation. Clear? So your answer is C, animation. Clear? Number 12, which of the following term represent a two-dimensional matrix of dots? two-dimensional matrix of dots. Dots, it means pixel. Can you see pixel on the computer screen? It is known as dots. Now two-dimensional matrix. Two-dimensional, it means it have two axes, that is x and y. Two means what? X and y. Three-dimensional, it means what? X, y and z. Barabar? But two-dimensional matrix, that's why you have to use x and y. Which term represent a two-dimensional matrix? That is x and y. Y and x. Can you see x and y of dots? So can you tell me which term represent two-dimensional matrix of dot? Number A, screen. Number B, map. Number C, cell. And number D, array. Pixel, it means what? Graphics, images. Graphics, images માં જઈએ. Map is a two-dimensional matrix of these dots. This dot, it means pixel. Small dots on the computer screen is known as pixel, and your dot is arranged in two-dimensional, and so it is known as map. Map means what? Two-dimensional matrix of dot. આ બધા dots આવે એ arrange થાય x axis ને y axis ના ફોર્મમાં, એને કહેવાય map. Clear? So your answer is B, map. Number 13. Which of the following term is the full form of MIDI? Abbreviation MIDI. M stands for musical, I stands for digital, I stands for instrument, D stands for digital, and I stands for interface. Musical, instrument, digital, interface. Option B, musical instrument digital interface. Your answer is MIDI, musical instrument digital interface. Mind well, computer has very abbreviation, and you have to keep in mind all these abbreviation. MIDI, PNG, portable network graphics. Clear? These abbreviation are useful, so you have to remember it. MIDI, musical instrument digital interface. Now number 13. 14. Which of the following term represent the most common image? It means graphics. Most common image format used by the digital cameras. Basic knowledge, general knowledge question. Which of the following term represent the most common image format? Image format, it means extension. PNG, JPG, GIF. Do you know about GIF? WhatsApp માં यूज करो છો ને GIF image. JPG, TIF and BMP. તો most common image, that is JPG. Can you see the example of images? That is GIF.jpg.tif. most common image, that is JPG. most common. જનરલી બધામાં JPEG યુઝ થાય. જ્યારે બી ઇમેજીસ હોય ને તેને રાઇટ ક્લિક કરવાની, સેટિંગ્સમાં જવાનું, તો તમને ઇમેજની ટાઈપ ખબર પડે. JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIF. આ તમને સેટિંગ્સમાં જજો તો તમને ખ્યાલ આવશે ઇમેજનો ટાઈપ. સો યોર આન્સર ઇઝ JPEG. B, JPEG. Number 15. Which of the following is used to store images are stored in the form of mathematical equation? Images have two types. How many types? Two types. First is bitmap or raster, and second is vector. So read your MCQ. Which of the following is used to store images are stored in the form of mathematical equation? Mathematical equation, it means vector. Vector graphics are used to store images in the form of mathematical equation. So your answer is A, vector. Clear? Vector images, it means what? They are used to store images in the form of mathematical equation. And bitmap or raster images are used to store images in the form of map. Bitmap શું કરે? મેપના ફોર્મમાં સ્ટોર કરે, અને વેક્ટર શું કરે? મેથેમેટિકલ ઇક્વેશનના ફોર્મમાં સ્ટોર કરે ઇમેજીસને. ક્લિયર? bitmap, it means map. Vector, it means mathematical equation. યાદ રાખવાનું. Keep in mind, bitmap, it means what? Map. It is used to store images in the form of map. Vector, it means what? It is used to store images in the form of mathematical equation. Clear? bitmap and vector, most important difference, bitmap or raster and vector, most important. So your answer is A, vector. Number 16, which of the following device help us to convert photographs into a digital format? If you want to convert your photograph into digital format, can you see the word digital? Digital, it means what? In computer format. Computers have digital format. Which computers have digital waves? Computers have ડિજિટલ વેવ્સ. કમ્પ્યુટરમાં ડિજિટલ વેવ્સ આવે. કમ્પ્યુટરમાં ફોટોસ બી હોય ને તે ડિજિટલ ફોર્મમાં હોય, ઇન્ફોર્મેશન બધું ડિજિટલમાં હોય. તો તમારે કઈ ડિવાઇસનો યુઝ કરી શકો તમારા ફોટોગ્રાફ્સને ડિજિટલ ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવા? તો સ્કેનર. કેન યુ સી ધ ઇમેજીસ? ઇટ ઇઝ યુઝ ટુ, આ ઇમેજીસ તમે જોવો છો, આ ઇમેજીસનો યુઝ કેવી રીતે થાય? સ્કેનરના મદદથી. ક્લિયર? Scanner is used to scan the images clear in digital form. Scanner, આ સ્કેનરના મદદથી સ્કેન થાય અને આવી રીતે પ્રિન્ટ થાય. ક્લિયર ડિફરન્સ બિટવીન પ્રિન્ટર એન્ડ સ્કેનર? સ્કેનર ઇઝ યુઝ ટુ કન્વર્ટ ફોટોગ્રાફ્સ ઇન્ટુ ડિજિટલ ફોર્મેટ. આ ફોટોગ્રાફ્સને તમારે આવી રીતે ડિજિટલ ફોર્મેટમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવા હોય તો સ્કેનરનો યુઝ થાય. પ્રિન્ટર, ઇટ મીન્સ વોટ? ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ પ્રિન્ટ ધ પેપર, then you can print it by using printer. Clear? Number 17, which of the following term represent PNG? PNG, now tell me the full name of PNG. General knowledge question. PNG, that is portable network graphics. Clear? D, option D, PNG, portable network graphics. Number 18, which of the following term represent a helper program that can be easily stored? Which of the following term represent helper program? हेल्पर प्रोग्राम मतलब हेल्प करे ने, हेल्पर प्रोग्राम that can be easily installed and used as a part of web browser. Web browser, it means what? Can you tell me the example of web browser? Web browser example: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. All these are the example of web browser. Internet Explorer, if you want to search anything, if you want to operate any website, if you want to access any website, then you have to use web browser. Clear? Web browser, it means what? If you want to access internet, then you can use web browser. Now tell me the answer. Which of the following term represent helper program that can be easily installed and used as a part of web browser? If you want to use as a part of web browser, then it is known as plug-in. Plug-in. Answer is A, plug-in. આનું ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં આપ્યું નથી, બટ યાદ રાખવાનું કે plug-in, it means what? Plug-in term represent. Plug-in means what? It represent as a helper program. Helper program છે, it can be easily installed as a part of web browser. Clear? Number 19, in which of the following term can multimedia be classified? Multimedia can be classified into two terms. How many terms? Two terms. First is interactive and second is non-interactive. Interactive, it means what? If we want to communicate with each other, then it is known as interactive. Non-interactive, it means what? One-way communication. Interactive means what? Two-way communication. Non-interactive, it means what? One-way communication. Actually, two-way. And non-interactive, it means what? One-way. One-way, it means what? હું બોલું તમે સાંભળો, તમે બોલો હું સાંભળું. It is known as one way. Two way, it means what? આપણે બંને બોલીએ એને કહેવાય two way. તો number 19, in which of the following term can multimedia is classified? Multimedia can be classified into two terms. First is intelligent, non-intelligent. No. Second is interactive, non-interactive. Yes. C, intuitive, non-intuitive. No. D, informative, non-informative. No. Your answer is B, interactive and non-interactive multimedia. Interactive, it means what? If we want to communicate with each other, two-way communication, then you have to use interactive communication. Non-interactive, it means what? One-way communication. One-way communication non-interactive કહેવાય. Interactive मतलब two-way communication. Clear? Number 20, which of the following animation types? Animation have how many types? Two types: 2D animation and 3D animation. The visual change occur in X and Y axis. Now, do you know about animation? Animation have two types: 2D and 3D. 4D and 5D cancel. 2D and 3D. Now visual change occur. Animation, the definition of animation is visual change over the time. So visual change occur in how many axes? 2, x and y. That's why your answer is 2D. If I want to write x, y and z axis, in which of the following animation types does the visual change occur in the x, y and z axis? Then your answer is 3D. But here x and y axis, અહીંયા x ને y બે જ અક્ષ આપેલા છે તો 2D. But I want to give x, y and z 3 axes, then you have to write 3D animation. Clear? 2D and 3D animation. 2D it means x and y, 3D it means x, y, z. 3 axes, that's why 3D. 2 axes, that's why 2D. So your chapter 1 is complete. Total number of 20 MCQ you have to write in your notebook as a exercise. Clear? Number 1 is complete.